Meet Mary Jean, a 48-meter luxury motorboat. Major refits in 2005 and 2011 brought her new decks in teak and the repainting of the entire superstructure. Eminently seaworthy, she can cover 3,500 nautical miles at an average speed of 13 knots. Her lounges are spacious and filled with natural light, while the open deck areas provide the perfect venue for hosting events or simply entertaining your close friends and families. Mary Jean has 3 tenders for short trips to the shore and for hitting the waves on the water skis. There are also some water toys for kids and for adults as well.